Tim Panasic for Gibbons Motor Toys. Today we're just going to give you a quick showing of the Camco electric coolers that we're now stocking. There is information on their website for this, but just to give you an outside opinion on them, I personally have one of these myself. I picked the 55-liter one, which you're actually looking at there. It's fantastic, both 12 volt and 110. In my truck, as an example, I'm back and forth between our two stores, between Gibbons and Salmon Arm, and I can plug that into the 110 receptacle. If I shut off the truck and it loses power, you start the truck back up and it just automatically resets to the temperature you had it at. And the way this works is basically you've got yourself, on this size of cooler, it's basically one temperature setting. On the larger ones, you can control a fridge separate and you can separate the compartments. But even on this one, I found it to be very efficient. So what I'll do is typically set the refrigerator to say +2 degrees Celsius. And then vegetables and stuff that you want to, not to have quite as cool, you can put in this compartment. Although it's a shared compartment, this is the area that cools down first. So this isn't quite as cool, I found. But I was also very surprised. You've got a removable basket in here, but because of the depth of these, I was really surprised how much I can fit in here. So just to give you an idea how deep this is, there's my arm. Most of it gets gobbled up in there. So definitely I found that the storage space in here was better than what I was anticipating. So that's it for a Camco cooler. Thanks for watching this short video, and hope you guys follow us and look for more videos like this in the future.